Salmon is a great way to serve a seafood item to your family when you don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen and when you're on a budget. A lot of you have told me that you don't want to spend more than 20 minutes in the kitchen to make dinner every night. And salmon doesn't cost you a small fortune to make either. Right now, salmon is only $7 a pound compared to something like grouper that's over $30 a pound. Tonight we're making pan-seared salmon with a Beurre Blanc sauce. We'll take skinless salmon fillets and cook them in a pan with extra virgin olive oil. Then we'll make a Beurre Blanc sauce with butter, shallots, heavy cream, lemon juice, and dry white wine. We'll serve it with cheese grits and asparagus. This meal gives you the taste of seafood that you're looking for, and it only takes 20 minutes to prepare. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens from around the world. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining, restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Pan-seared salmon with Beurre Blanc sauce. Wild-caught salmon fillets, pan-seared in olive oil, and topped with a Beurre Blanc sauce made with dry white wine vinegar, heavy cream, lemon juice, and shallots. Our mise en place for 2 people is 2 skinless wild-caught salmon fillets, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and for the Beurre Blanc sauce, half a stick of unsalted butter, 1 small shallot chopped, a half a cup of dry white wine, 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 ounce of juice of a fresh squeezed lemon, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, a teaspoon of fresh chopped chives or parsley. In a pan, add a few tablespoons of olive oil and bring the heat up to medium. Turn the oven on to 170 degrees. This is to keep the salmon warm after it's cooked. Season the salmon fillets on both sides with salt and pepper, and then add them to the pan. Cook them for 4 minutes. Flip the salmon over and cook for another 4 minutes. Turn the heat off and then put the pan of salmon into the oven to stay warm. Now we'll work on the Beurre Blanc sauce. In a small saucepan, pour in the wine, the vinegar, the heavy cream, the lemon juice, and the shallots, and bring it all up to a simmer. Let the sauce reduce by half, which is about 5 to 6 minutes. Reduce the heat to low and add in the salt and white pepper. Begin to whisk in the butter a little bit at a time. Once the sauce is thick, transfer it to a gravy boat and keep it hot. Now the sauce will separate if it gets cold, so we'll add it to a pan with hot water in it to keep the sauce warm. We're now ready to plate our dish. Remove the salmon from the oven and turn the oven off. I want to thank our friends at International Tableware Incorporated in Toledo, Ohio, for providing us with this awesome plate that's perfect for seafood. It's from their Stonehaven dinnerware collection, and it looks just like a seashell that you'd find at the beach. And there it is! Pan-seared salmon with Beurre Blanc sauce. Wild-caught salmon fillets, pan-seared in extra virgin olive oil, and topped with the Beurre Blanc sauce, made from dry white wine vinegar, heavy cream, lemon juice, shallots, salt, and white pepper. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!